I'm Giannis Antetokounmpo, professional basketball player and Doodle for Google guest judge. Let's go take a look for the 5 finalists. Let's unveil the first one. 3, 2, 1. This is from Kamira. The hair represents her family and the connection that she has within her family. I just like how the hair blends in the Google. It says queen right here. Kamira, yeah, you are a queen. You're definitely a queen. 3, 2, 1. It's almost like a mini Google library. She used the space, the empty space for the books. But the most important thing I think is this image right here, when she's trying to grab the book from the library. Incredible job by Olive. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. I feel like sports brings so many people together. Doesn't matter where you're from, sports unite people. This is my favorite part right here. So Eric, you killed it, man. 3, 2, 1, voila. Lorraine, very, very good job. I can tell that you enjoy music. You know, I can see the instruments. I can see the flowers in this picture. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si. No, incredible job. 1, 2, 3, voila. First of all, if you guys see in the picture, there's so many finish lines. And you see the turtles try to get to the finish line, which for me, that represents that it takes time. It's a journey. You just gotta stay the course, stay with it. David, this is amazing. First of all, thank you to everybody that submitted your art for Doodle for Google this year. Congratulations to the 5 national finalists. You guys did an incredible job.